I got you stuck. Got you stuck off the real. The realness.
Pete Rose, the all-time hit leader in Major League Baseball, who later became infamous for gambling on the sport, has passed away at 83, as confirmed by the medical examiner in Clark County, Nevada. A family member found him at home, and there were no indications of foul play. Further investigation will reveal the cause of death. Rose was known for his relentless dedication to baseball, earning a loyal following due to his effort on the field. Over his 24-year career, including 19 years with the Cincinnati Reds, he set records for most career hits, as well as games played, plate appearances, and at-bats. He was a 17-time All-Star, the 1973 National League MVP, and the 1963 Rookie of the Year. He won 3 World Series titles, 2 with the Cincinnati Reds in 1975 and 1976, and 1 with the Philadelphia Phillies in 1980. However, Rose is equally remembered for being banned for life from MLB in 1989 due to gambling on games while managing the Reds. With suspicion surrounding him, new MLB Commissioner Bart Giamatti initiated an investigation in April 1989, led by attorney John Dowd. By June, the investigation revealed evidence of at least 52 bets on Reds games during 1987, his first season as a sole manager after previously holding a player-slash-manager role for 3 years. Confronted with limited options, Rose chose to accept being placed on baseball's ineligible list in August 1989. For more than 10 years, he insisted he had never bet on his own team. It wasn't until his 2004 autobiography, My Prison Without Bars, that he publicly admitted to gambling on Reds games. During a promotional interview with ABC News, he acknowledged the truth for the first time. In the wake of his lifetime ban, the Baseball Hall of Fame declared that anyone on the ineligible list would not be welcomed into the hall. The debate surrounding Rose's ban and exclusion from the Hall of Fame has grown into a significant topic among sports fans, often overshadowing his remarkable achievements on the field.